I haven't done kind of like any follow-up video since I've started doing the deck, and the plan is to have this extend all the way to around about here and then go back. So this entire area will be a deck. So what am I going to be doing today? Today, I thought I would try and have a go at finishing the windows. You can see I've fitted the cladding and then I spray foamed into the gaps just to kind of try and keep any creepy crawlies out. So I'm just going to measure up how long to do these trim pieces, and 50 inches. I'm going to do 51 inches. I'm just basically going to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trim pieces at 51 inches and then trim them down individually. How did we say, 51? So that's 51 there. In fact, what I'll do is I'll just use this one now as the template for 51. Saves me getting the tape measure out every time. All right, I need to measure the tops now. So they are, I'll do 3 22-inch pieces. 22. Hold on a minute. Oh, how lucky is that? So one of these short ones, which was a leftover from cutting the upright, is actually 44 inches. So I can just cut this one in half. One thing I need to do before I even start to offer up the side trims is trim the foam. That is so satisfying. So I'm going to number these up 1, 2, 3 from left to right, because they are ever so slightly different. I'm not perfect. So that's number 1, number 2, number 3. Say hello to Dexter. You're getting big, aren't you, boy? Lovely little puppy Shih Tzu. He's 9 months. So say goodbye. Bye bye. So let's see, how did I get on? Oh, perfect. Perfect. Number 2. Perfect. Not quite perfect. Oh shit. Hold on. Yeah, that's better. I'm using Sticks Like Shit clear adhesive. Let's see if we can get a bead of this on the wood. I'm getting a corner trim. Let me see if I've got that. Here you go. So there's the corner trim, and that will just finish everything off nicely. Well, it's the next day. I've done the internal trims on the doors now. So that was tough because it's really, really cold. I know I keep saying it in this video, but it is really cold. These are what the windows look like now. And I'm probably gonna leave this video here. If you like the video, hit like. And if you want to see what the deck looks like when I've finished expanding it onto the side, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get 2,000 subscribers. So yeah, see you next time.